Good day, it's Jeffrey Howells, carpet cleaning here, and I'm going to be walking through a little bit of the chemistry that I'm going to be using today. Now, I've done plenty of videos with these particular products, however, I'm going to explain. I've got this townhouse I'm going to be doing. It is a repeat that I've done several times. I know that they have an indoor cat, and that's pretty much it. I keep up on it, so there's hardly ever any urine or anything like that in the carpeting. However, so to explain what I'm doing, I do a very eco-friendly green sort of carpet cleaning, you know, that is friendly with the pets and everything. And so that's what this soap-free is. Would be like somewhat similar to Procyon. It's like a sodium carbonate cleaning grade baking soda, very green cleaning, and does a very good job with neutralizing and getting rid of odors and those sort of things in the carpet. It works very well as an upholstery cleaner as well. But to double up the strength of it, I also add some peroxide to it. And well, it doesn't necessarily double up the strength, but it adds more properties to the cleaning solution. So it adds more sanitizing capability and deodorizing capabilities to it. And because we are working with a pet that we know that we're going into the house, I use VacuWave's Hot Knife Extreme, and what that does is that will attack any oils or things, residue caused by oils from the cat and hair and that sort of stuff. And we will be using a 4-phase cleaning system, which is going to include a very heavy pre-vacuum. The application of our pre-spray, it will be mechanically agitated using our cylindrical brush machine, and then finally it will be rinsed using truck-mounted steam cleaning. So this product here is a granule, and it's not nearly as nice as some of Truck Mount Forum's stuff because of just the nature of the granules are annoying to mix up and don't dissolve real great. So I always try to allow adequate time. If I'm not pouring it directly into a bottle, but I'm measuring stuff out, I always try to give it, 5 or 10 minutes just to sit and dwell, and then, agitate it and mix it up using, a whisk or something like that. So anyways, that is our chemistry. If you are concerned about offering green carpet care, or have customers that are concerned about green, eco-friendly sort of cleaning, that's 100% biodegradable. Well, 99.6 is what most of this stuff is. Some of it's 100% or 99.9% biodegradable, coming from renewable sources that are absolutely natural and organic and all that. So this is a very good product line to be using. So if you're interested in learning more about that, head over to vacaway.com and take a look. That's the reason I use it, because it's readily available to me. I can easily get the products. I know how to use them. I know which products are which and how to mix and match them. And that's what I suggest doing with any of you guys who are starting out, is to learn the chemistry of the product that you're using. Really, it doesn't matter. However, there are an array of products that I do use depending on what I'm cleaning. This just happens to be a staple that I appreciate using because I can pretty much build it on site as I'm going to fit each and every carpet cleaning scenario that I come across. Alright, Howells Carpet Cleaning, and we are here on our job of the day that we're going to be recording here. You can see the cat that's up there, so that is the reason for the chemistry that we use. And I always try to, whenever we possible, always like to come in at a garage or wherever down below and work my way down the stairs. And then after we do the stairways here, we'll go ahead and run our hoses back upstairs, where we will have another set of stairs, a hallway, and 3 bedrooms.